Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you a product review video of a vegan plant-based product. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on none of the awesome videos I have coming your way. Let's hop into it.
Hey y'all, have you tried the Hooray Foods plant-based bacon? I've seen them on Instagram and now Whole Foods has them, so I had to pick it up and try it. So I'm gonna be making a little bit of breakfast this morning, and yeah, we're gonna see how this tastes. Okay, so there is 3 cooking options. So we got pan fried, oven, and the microwave. We definitely not doing the microwave, but we're gonna pan fry it because that's how I'm used to eating my bacon. I will sometimes do it in the oven, but we're gonna pan fry it today. And it says to cook it the same way you would regular bacon. No oil needed to be added to your pan, so we're not gonna add none, because you know real bacon makes its own grease and oil. So yeah, and if you're curious about what's in it, this is the ingredients. So yeah, I'm super excited to try it because baby, I like me some mushrooms. So I cut it open. As you can see, there's plenty of coconut oil in there, which is probably what is the fat in it, which is why we don't need to add any oil. Oh, that one broke, but that's okay. Here we go. It's the bacon. Go into the pan. Okay, it says it's best served crispy. That's pretty crisp. Let's see. I'm gonna take this out and put it on paper towel like I would regular bacon. As you can see, it did make its own oil. There's oil all over the pan, so you definitely don't need to add any oil.
Morning, y'all. So we are about, oh, I got some grease from the bacon on my arm. So we are about to find out how this Hooray Foods vegan plant-based bacon tastes. It smelled amazing when I was cooking it, but you know, we about to find out, because you know, the texture has to be right, the taste, the flavor, everything. So let's get into it. I will say, in addition to the smell being correct, the touch, the way it feels good as well. So that's a plus too. And you know, I had whipped up my new pancake recipe, which just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my email list at cottoncreationsllc.com, because something is gonna be coming soon. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into this bacon. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Let's see. This one's I fried this one a little harder. You hear that? Okay, crunch. Okay. I'm getting hints of the pork flavor. It's not like overly. Oh, there it is. Okay. So when I'm first eating it, the pork flavor doesn't just like hit you all of a sudden, okay? As you're eating and chewing it, it starts to come out. They recommend that you eat it, that you cook it crispy. And I think I would agree with that. Now I like to eat my bacon with my pancakes. So let's get into a piece of bacon with the pancake. Okay. It's good. I think I just wish it had a little bit more pork flavor to it. So, maybe if I do it again, well, I got a whole pack. What am I talking about? I am gonna do it again. I think I'm gonna try and do like a the marinade that I do for the carrot bacon or the rice paper bacon. I think I might whip that up, and I probably will. I'll probably have to test it. I may put some in the marinade before I fry it, and then I may fry it halfway, put it in the marinade, and then finish off frying it. But I think it needs just a little bit more smoky, porky flavor for it to be even closer to what, regular bacon tastes like. But it's not bad. I'm curious to see how the flavor would do on a BLT. So I may do that too. I may whip up a BLT and see what happens. I will say, I don't know if y'all can see that. When I flipped this one, it like was gummy, kind of, and it wouldn't pull apart. And you can kind of see well, it won't pull apart because this side is crunchy, but it was like a it was gummy, and I couldn't really I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, the texture wasn't exactly like real bacon, of course. So when I flipped it and it like folded over, and I was trying to like unfold it so it was maintain its straightness, it just would not. So be mindful of that. But yeah, overall I like it. With see, that's not giving me no pork. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to help it out and add a few things to it. With these pancakes, I hope y'all ready. Cause I got a secret weapon in these. And yes, of course, they are vegan. Don't worry, I got y'all. Nothing but plant-based over here. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know if you've tried the Hooray Foods plant-based bacon. And if you have, let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section down below. And if you did anything to like enhance the flavors and stuff like that, let me know, because I'm willing to try it. And what else? Oh, and let me know if you're planning to try it. If you haven't tried it yet, but you're planning to, let me know. And let me know what you guys think of the product. I love that there are more plant-based products being added to the market every day, just about. And so that's awesome. And I love to see that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on none of the awesome videos I have coming your way. All right. Thanks for watching.